Well, Maldives is known to be one of the most beautiful places on this planet, but it's also known to be very, very expensive. I am at a local island in Maldives to find out if you can visit this paradise on a budget. Well, one would believe that Maldives is all about luxurious resorts and extravagant villas, but if you're on a budget, you can come and stay at a local island for as much as 2,000 to 3,000 rupees a night, and you also get the authentic flavor of Maldives. Welcome to Eda Fushi. The streets are full of sand and the homes full of color. Hello and welcome to Maldives. It's my first trip to the local island of Maldives, and it's great. Why did I never explore this option?
Some of the most popular local islands in Maldives are Mafushi, Guraindo or Dharavando. I visited Edia Fushi, which is a part of Ba Atoll near Dharavando.
Shifa and Shamila are actually studying at this island called Eda Fushi, which is a really small island, and it's so interesting that even in a small island there is a school, there's hospitals, and people have a life of their own. So the language they speak is Devehi. They all follow Islam as it's a 100% Muslim country, and the main source of revenue is tourism. Well, $1 is equal to 15.42 Maldivian rupiah. 1 rupiah is equal to approximately 5 Indian rupees. And this is how a 5 Maldivian rupiah looks like.
Let's first talk about flights. Till a few years ago, you had to take a connecting flight from India of about 7 to 9 hours via Malaysia, Singapore or Sri Lanka. But now, you can fly direct to Malé via GoAir, SpiceJet or Indigo and reach your destination in flat 2 to 3 hours at approximately 7 to 9,000 rupees one way. This is lower than even some of our domestic flight prices, ironically.
So to get to anywhere in Maldives, you need to hire a speedboat. But here's a hack. If you live by a local island, you can go via a local ferry, which doesn't cost more than 10 rupiahs to go around any of the neighboring islands. But if you want to go to Malé, that would cost you about 300 rupiahs, which means about 1,500 rupees or say $20. Compare that to a resort, they would charge you more than $500.
The travel time here could range from anywhere between 30 minutes to 14 hours. Want to reach faster? Well, you may have to take a speedboat or a seaplane. So, it will either cost you a lot of money or a lot of time to get there.
So this is how the locals of Maldivians look like. They are very relaxed, they are very chilled out. As you can see, it's afternoon time and they are waiting here for the ferry. This is Salsa Retreat at Eda Fushi, a guest house where room cost per night is about 500 Maldivian rupiah, which means about 2,500 Indian rupees. Compare that to a resort, which would come at about 50 to 1 lakh rupees a night. Well, given the price that you're paying, you would also get a gym here in this hotel. Well, the rooms may be basic, there is no lift, but I'm sure it offers a great view.
In fact, you can enjoy further discounted prices if you visit off-season. Prices drop quite a lot in the wet season, that is from May to November.
So see, Maldives on a budget is possible. Well, Maldives is believed to be extremely expensive even when it comes to food. But here's a hack. If you come and live at a local island, the prices are slashed and half. Let me show show you the menu here, which says that the price of white rice is 20, vegetable fried rice for 40 Moldavian rupiah. 1 Moldavian rupiah is equal to 5 Indian rupees, which means for a vegetable fried rice, you would have to pay only about 200 Indian rupees. That's not very expensive. Well, if you compare the prices with a resort, well, definitely living at a local island is way cheaper. If you're on a budget, you may have to compromise on a few things, but remember, you can also gain a lot.
I can't believe I actually found a way to visit Maldives on a budget. What are you waiting for? Book your tickets right away.